Here we have a test run of an Aristocraft DCC system. As you can see, plain wheel chassis set up for testing, and all the kit stuffed into an open wagon. To see further how this has been set up, you can see on my Revo setup thread on G-Scale Central. So turn the Revo system on, and up it comes, Aristocraft Revolution DCC system. From here we select local control because the system's all been set up. You can see I've got 128 speed steps. I've called it Cab 1S Profi 1. The DCC chip is 3 because that's my test chip, and it's currently going to go right. So I will test some of the sounds. Bell, which is a latch. Whistle, which is also a latch. Cold has started on its own. 3 doesn't seem to do anything. 4 doesn't do anything. 5 puts the blower on. 7 and 8 are to do with creating sound, I think. 9 is the emergency horn. So we'll press accelerate. As you can see, smoothly moving away. Accelerating to top speed, suitable shade type speed. Sound whistle.